Welcome to LoveCAD. Here is easy to follow tutorial on Model Mania 2020 Phase 1. Let's first see the important steps in this tutorial. So, first is the basic sketch of the component, then the use of hole wizard to create and edit counter bore. Then the interesting part to learn, which is to create the curve body using revolve surface from surface command tool. Now see all the information given in this detailed drawing of Model Mania 2020. First look at the note which says material is of plain carbon steel. Then see the dimension in this basic sketch, which I am going to first draw in SolidWorks. Now open SolidWorks, go to part, select material, go to edit material, select carbon steel, go to configuration, OK, click apply. Now start from top plane, go to sketch, select circle and draw two concentric circle at origin. Assign the dimension as 22 mm and 16 mm. Next, again select circle. Draw a circle at a horizontal distance from origin. Select center line. Now again select circle. Draw a circle. Check for construction. Now select smart dimension. Assign the dimension as 12 mm. Diameter. This is diameter. Now for radius, go to leader line and select radius. See how this will show you in radius. Now again select smart dimension. Now give 70 mm diameter to bolt circle as you have seen in the drawing. Now select line, draw a oblique line here, select these two lines, go to mirror, again select circle and this line and add relation tangent. Now again go to smart dimension, assign angle as 22 degree, adjust the dimension. Now select line and connect these 2 points. Now press shift and select the center point of line and the origin and give the relation coincident. OK. Now go to features, select extrude boss, select these two parts of the sketch, give height as 22 mm. OK. Now as we are going to use the same sketch for this, click on sketch and click show. Now go to front plane, go to sketch, normal. Now select center line, draw one vertical center line, select line, draw one slant line, again select center line, draw one vertical center line over here. Now again press shift and select circle and this point and give the relation pierce. OK. Press normal. Assign the dimension as 6 mm and the angle between these two lines is 112 mm, 112 degrees. Now enable surface command here. Go to surface, select revolve surface and select this center line. Blind 360 degree, press OK. Now for the curve surface, go to sketch, go to features, extrude and select these two portions, and in option select up to surface and click on the surface. Now see how the curve is generated over this surface. Click on OK. Now simply click this surface and press tab. Now go to features, hole wizard, select counter bore, then select socket head cap screw, select ANSI metric, select M4 size and keep the rest option as it is. Now go to position, select this surface, press normal. Now add this counter bore at this position. Now simply select counter bore and go to edit in sketch 4. Press normal. See this dimension. As per the drawing, this is 8 mm. This is 4.50 mm. Okay, now simply select this dimension, press delete and add new dimension. So go to smart dimension, make it 4 mm from this edge. Done. Now see what I have done. Okay, as you can see, the dimensions are as per the drawings. Okay, now simply exit the plane. Now go to sketch 1, hide the sketch. Now simply select the counter bore and the boss extrude option. Go to features, select circular pattern, select equal spacing 360 degree and 3 numbers of pattern. Select this surface. Okay. Now this is the basic shape. Now go to fillet. Now assign the dimension as 22 mm for the fillet radius. Select this edge and drag the mouse to this option which say loop up to 2 edges. Okay, now see this is applied to all 3 edges. Now again select fillet, select the radius 1 mm, select this edge and apply it. Now I am going to apply the color. For this, select fillet, go to edit appearance, select the red color. Okay. Now select the whole part over here. Now again go to appearance and select the yellow color as we have seen in the drawing. Press OK. So this is how our Model Mania Phase 1 looks like. Hope you all will like and share this tutorial. If you have any query, go ahead to comment section and subscribe us for Model Mania Phase 2 and for other such tutorials. Do follow us on Facebook and Telegram for drawings. Thank you. This is Mrityunjay Kumar signing off.